नमस्ते बच्चों, आई एम JVN डॉक्टर सुरेंद्र कुमार श्रीवास्तव फ्रॉम द डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ साइंस अंडर द फैकल्टी ऑफ एजुकेशन एंड मेथोडोलॉजी, ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर. Today we will solve some integral with the help of calculus of residue. Prove that integral 0 to 2 pi e to the power cos theta dot cos of n theta minus sin theta is equal to 2 pi upon root n. Solving, taking the contour as a unit circle, center at origin as mod of z is equal to 1, that implies z is equal to e to the power I theta. So dz is equal to I e to the power I theta d theta. Let I is equal to integral 0 to 2 pi e to the power cos theta into cos of n theta minus sin theta of d theta. So integral 0 to 2 pi e to the power cos theta in bracket cos of minus n theta plus sin theta d theta, that is rp of e to the power 2 pi e to the power cos theta into e to the power I minus n theta plus sin theta. Again this can be written as rp of integral c exponential cos theta plus I sin theta minus I n theta d theta. Again this can be written as rp of integral c exponential z minus I n theta d theta is equal to rp integral c e to the power z e to the power minus I theta to the whole power n d theta is equal to rp integral c e to the power z into z to the power minus n d theta. Again I is equal to rp integral c e to the power z upon z to the power n dz upon iz is equal to rp into 1 upon I integral c e to the power z dz upon z to the power n plus 1. I is equal to rp of minus I integral c e to the power z dz upon z minus 0 to the power n plus 1. Again I is equal to rp minus I in bracket 2 pi I upon factorial n in bracket factorial n upon 2 pi I integral c e to the power z upon z to the power n plus 1 dz is equal to rp minus I 2 pi upon factorial n d to the power n upon dx to the power n e to the power z at z is equal to 0 is equal to 2 pi upon factorial n. Now we see the another question. Evaluate the residue of fz when fz is equal to e to the power z upon z square in bracket z square plus 9 at z is equal to 0 comma minus 3i comma plus 3i. Here fz is equal to e to the power z upon z square in bracket z square plus 9. Its polar z is equal to 0 minus 3i comma 3i. Since z is equal to minus 3i is a simple pole, then limit z tends to a, z minus a fz is equal to residue at z is equal to a. Now residue z is equal to minus 3i is equal to limit z tends to minus 3i z plus 3i e to the power z upon z square z minus 3i z plus 3i is equal to integral is equal to e to the power minus 3i upon minus 3i to the whole of square minus 3i. So this can be written as minus I e to the power minus 3i upon 54. Again residue at z is equal to 3i, that is limit z tends to 3i z minus 3i e to the power z upon z square z minus 3i z plus 3i e to the power 3i upon 3i to the whole of square 6i is equal to e to the power 3i upon minus 54i into I by I, that is I e to the power 3i upon 54. Since z is equal to 0 is a pole of order 2, then residue at z is equal to a is equal to phi to the power m minus 1 a upon factorial m minus 1 if fz is equal to phi z upon z minus a to the power m. So phi z is equal to e to the power z upon z square plus 9. Phi dash z is equal to z square plus 9 e to the power z minus e to the power z in bracket 2z upon z square plus 9 to the whole of square. So phi dash 0 is equal to 9 minus 0 upon 81 is equal to 1 upon 9. So residue at z is equal to 0 is equal to 1 upon 9 whole upon factorial 2 minus 1, that is 1 upon 9. Find the residue of 1 upon z square plus 1 to the whole cube at z is equal to I. Now you can solve this question for you for solving. Now prove that integral 0 to 2 pi cos square 3 theta d theta upon 1 minus 2p cos 2 theta plus p square is equal to pi in bracket 1 minus p plus p square upon 1 minus p. Let C denote the unit circle mod of z is equal to 1. So integral 0 to 2 pi cos square 3 theta upon 2p cos 2 theta plus p square. Again 1 upon 2 0 to 2 pi 1 plus cos 6 theta upon 1 minus 2p cos theta plus p square. That is Rp of 1 by 2 integral 0 to 2 pi 1 plus e to the power I 6 theta upon 1 minus p in bracket e to the power I 2 theta plus e to the power minus 2i theta plus p square. Now but z is equal to e to the power I theta, so d theta is equal to dz over iz. Now I is equal to Rp 1 by 2 integral C 1 plus z to the power 6 upon 1 minus p in bracket z square plus z to the power minus 2p square dz upon iz is equal to Rp 1 upon 2 integral C 1 plus z to the power 6 upon 1 minus p square z power 4 plus 1 upon z square plus p square dz upon iz. That is Rp 1 upon 2 integral C 1 plus z to the power 6 z square upon z square p square z to the power 4 minus p square plus p square z square dz upon iz. Rp is equal to 1 upon 2 ip integral C z 1 plus z to the power 6 dz upon z to the power 4 minus 1 plus p square upon p z square plus 1. I is equal to Rp minus 1 upon 2 ip integral C dz first number, where fz is equal to z 1 plus z to the power 6 upon z to the power 4 minus 1 plus p square upon p z square plus 1. Poles are given by z to the power 4 minus 1 plus p square whole over p z square plus 1, that is z to the power 4 minus 1 plus p square upon p z square plus 1. So this can be written as p z to the power 4 minus 1 plus p square z square plus p. Now taking Sridharacharya, so this is z square is equal to 1 plus p square plus minus root 1 plus p square to the whole of square minus 4p square upon 2p. That is finally z is equal to plus minus 1 by root p. The poles lying in the unit circle C are plus minus root p as 0 is less or equal to p is less than 1. Residue at z is equal to root p plus residue at z is equal to minus p is equal to limit z tends to root p z minus root p fz plus limit z tends to minus root p z plus root p fz. Limit z tends to root p z minus root z p z plus 1 plus z to the power 6 upon z square minus p z square minus 1 upon p plus limit z tends to minus root p z plus p z 1 plus z to the power 6 z square minus p z square minus 1 by p. So this will be 1 plus p cube root p upon root p plus root p minus 1 by p plus minus root p 1 plus p cube upon minus root p minus root p minus 1 by p. On solving, this will be p in bracket 1 plus p cube upon p square minus 1. So integral of C fz dz is equal to 2 pi I sum of residue at z is equal to 0. So integral C fz dz is equal to 2 pi I p1 plus p cube upon p square minus 1. Again ip of Rp is equal to minus 1 upon 2 ip 2 pi I p1 plus p cube upon p square minus 1. After solving, I is equal to 1 plus p square minus p upon 1 minus p. Hence, integral 0 to 2 pi cos square 3 theta d theta upon 1 minus 2p cos 2 theta plus p square is equal to pi is equal to pi 1 minus p plus p square upon 1 minus p. Thank you.